In order to develop code locally on your computer, you will need to install a web server to support PHP so you can run code on the server, and a database server so you can store and retrieve data, and ideally you should have the phpMyAdmin program installed, which makes it much easier to administer the database. We will learn more about each one of these as we progress throughout the course. Whatever your operating system, there are many software packages available that will install and configure all of these for you at once. One of the most popular is XAMPP. This gives you Apache web server with PHP, the MariaDB, and also phpMyAdmin. This is the one I recommend, and one we are going to install for being the most popular, and it's free, open source, and works on all platforms, and it's very easy to install. As you can see, here is our download button for Windows, for Linux, for OS X. So it is available for all kind of operating systems, and it's free. Also, when writing code, you are going to need a code editor. A code editor is something like helps you to write code, and there are a lot of code like Notepad, Notepad++, Vim, Atom, Sublime, Brackets. There are a lot of code editors, but the better solution and the best code editor that I prefer to use and I recommend to use is Visual Studio Code Editor. It is a well developed code editor, and it is also free, open source, and has many useful features such as auto completion and syntax highlighting, like you can see in the image, and you can here is built in Git, and many extensions are available, and the team of Visual Studio Code Editor is very active. Now, if you already have a web server installed and code editor installed, then you can safely skip to the next video. Thanks for watching this video.